Take this trim piece off, use a trim tool, just get behind here and pop it off. There's clips that hold it on right there, and this one's broken. Remove the foam piece, insulation, and slide it out. And this mirror is just a manual mirror, there's no wires. At this point you could take a wrench and try to get these two nuts off, but it's going to be easier to take the door panel off to access those, so that's what we're going to do. Take this door lock knob off, just use a pick, just get underneath here, and just pop that little door out, and it slides right off. Now remove these two trim pieces, just use a straight blade pocket screwdriver, just get underneath here, and it pops off. And this one right here, and that pops off. There's a couple of clips that hold that on. Now there's 3 bolts. We're going to take those 3 bolts out, use a 10mm socket. If you have to, use a magnet. Now we're going to take the window handle out. If you have electric windows, you can skip this step. Slide the window handle in the up position, and then you need a removable tool like this. And you want to slide in between the handle, and there's a washer there. Keep in mind where the handle is set, so when you put it back together, you're going to put it in the same spot. Push down on the tool, and slide the handle out. Now take this little clip, we're going to push this back in for when you're ready to install it. And there's this washer, make sure you take that off. When you go to install it, we're going to install the washer first and then the handle. Now there's push pins holding the door panel on all around the door panel. Use a trim tool, just get underneath the door panel. Just try to pop it out. And just slide the door panel up and out. And there's a couple feet on the bottom of the door panel. You can put it in kind of a service mode. Just put it on those two, and then we'll leave the door panel there. Now we can access those nuts. Use a 10mm socket, take these nuts out. When you get to the last one, make sure you support the mirror from the outside. And grab the mirror and just slide it out. Take the new mirror, there's nuts that come with this. Make sure you take these nuts off first. Now install the mirror, same way the old one came out. Just line it up. And put the nuts on. And snug them up. Not too tight, just snug. Now take the door panel and slide it in position. Make sure you get this channel in up top and that lock rod through that hole. With all that lined up, then push the panel back onto the door. Take the lock knob and line it up and push the button down and double check, make sure it works. And install the bolts. And snug these down. Take the trim panels and put those back on. Put the window handle on the same way it came off. First the washer, then the handle in the same position. And lock it down, make sure it works. Put the foam insulation back. And the trim piece, line it up and snap it down.